one on the left is my parents' apartment back home. The one on the right, who knows? Maybe it belonged to a Roman Empire captain.
Hey Alexa, can you ask Ori to make the bed?
Okay.
Let me tell you, this is not science fiction anymore. This is now. If you don't believe that robotics could be so mainstream so soon, think about arguably the only transformable element most of us have in our homes. And do you know what that is? The garage door opener. Now, think about it. A huge door moving up and down, every morning, every afternoon, reliable, safe, even with internet connectivity, some of them. $200. You don't even think about the robotic aspect of it. And definitely, you cannot go back in time to move those heavy doors manually. So why garage doors had such a privilege over walls, beds, closets for so many years? Architectural robotics is not here to force you to live in smaller and smaller spaces. Architectural robotics is here to augment the capabilities of your spaces, whatever size they are. It is about efficiency, but it is also about responsiveness. So look around you. Look at those mundane objects. Look at those space killers. And think about what they could do if they had superpowers.